We want to write the number given the Roman numeral. The basic Roman numeral symbols are given here with their corresponding values. By combining these symbols, we can write different numbers. So for a quick review, numbers are formed by combining the symbols together, where if the numerals are placed from left to right in the order of value, starting with the largest values, followed by the smaller values, the values are added. For example, here, notice how we have 2 tens, a 5, and 3 ones based upon the values of these symbols. So we add these, this would be 20 plus 5 plus 3, giving us 28. However, to avoid repeated characters or symbols, if a smaller numeral comes before a larger numeral, the smaller is subtracted from the larger. So for example, for 4, we don't use 4 capital I's. We put an I before a V. Because the 1 is before the 5, we subtract. 5 minus 1 gives us 4. Notice here we have a C before an M, which would be a 100 before 1,000. So this represents 1,000 minus 100, or 900. Plus, next we have an X before a C, which is a 10 before a 100. So we subtract. This would be 100 minus 10, or 90. Plus, and we have V followed by 2 I's. This is ordered from greatest to least, so we add 5 plus 1 is 7, giving us 997. So now going back to our 4 examples, here we have 3 X's, which represents 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 30, plus V followed by I. Again, notice how it's ordered from greatest to least, so we add 5 plus 1 is 6. This would be 36. Next we have C, which is 100, followed by L, which is 50, followed by X, which is 10. That'd be 50 plus 10, or 60, plus 3 I's, which would be 3. This would be 163. For the next two, we'll have to apply the subtraction principle. Notice here we have a C before a D, which is 100 before 500, so we subtract. 500 minus 100 would be 400. Plus, next we have an X before a C, which is a 10 before 100, so we subtract. 100 minus 10 is 90. Plus, then we have an I before a V, which is a 1 before a 5, so we subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this would be 494. For our last example, we start with M, which is 1,000. But then we have a C before an M, which is a 100 before 1,000. So we subtract. 1,000 minus 100 is 900. Plus, and we have an L, which is 50, followed by 2 X's, which are 10s. This is 50 plus 10 plus 10, or 70. Plus, we have an I before an X, or a 1 before a 10, so we subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this would be 1,979. Next, we'll look at examples where we're given the number and asked to write it using Roman numerals. I hope you found this helpful.